Okay, so in our first example, we decided that we were going to write a blog. So you can see that right over here, just using one of the prompts we used in our presentation. And this is a really good blog, as a matter of fact. I'll make a few changes to it, which is not a big deal. But in general, I'd say about 90% of it is exactly what I want. Then what I said here is, okay, now provide me an image for this blog, make it relevant, and stick to something that is eye-catching that will get read on our website. And so what's really cool about this particular platform is that you can go in and you can edit this and you can actually change the image. Now, I'm not going to do that because once you do that, everything below it gets deleted. And I kind of wanted to show this to you. So I'm actually going to be using that particular one on our blog. Now I wanted to just go a little bit further and say, okay, now I want to create a social media post for this blog. So here's the social media post that'll go for the blog. And what I'll do is I'll put the blog link and then it's going to populate inside of all the different social medias. And then I say, okay, now provide me meta description. Why? I'm asking is because, well, in your particular, I guess maybe if you were using WordPress or whatever you're using for putting your blogs, you want to take advantage of search engine optimization. So here is a little bit for what we call the meta description. I guess that's going to be for Meta. You're going to probably need one for all, the different platforms like X and whatever, wherever else you're putting. But this will generally be good. Some of these meta descriptions are between 250 characters all the way up to 350 characters. So you say, okay, now make it 350 characters or 250, and it'll do it for you. And sometimes, depending on the SEO that you're working on for your particular blog, it's going to ask you for keywords. And we typically leave it, best practice is 7 keywords. And so I say, give me 7 keywords. So that's going to, of course, be for people that search online, right? And they're going to be looking for AI automation, small business tools. I'd probably do small business AI tools is what I would do. Repetitive task automations. So I might change that a little bit. And then I said, okay, based on this blog, provide me 12 more topics that I can write based on the products that I have on my website. Here's the website. Please write it. And here's the current blogs. Make sure you don't duplicate any of those blogs. And so then what it did is it provided me 12 more examples. And of course, what I'll need to do is I'll need to go and write each of them and so on. But I mean, come on. In the old days, when I did this all by hand, it would take me hours. This has just taken me moments. Now then what I did is I uploaded 10,000 of our ChatGPT prompts as a part of one of the packages that we have products. Now based on this upload PDF, provide me another 12 blog titles. And so these 12 blog titles are based on the 10,000 ChatGPT prompts that we have available for you, and you can check it out on our products page. And so how to customize AI prompts for your business needs, the role of AI transforming direct mail campaigns. It's fantastic, actually. AI to enhance employee productivity and collaboration. So there's a whole bunch of really great examples here. And of course I can just keep on going. For an example, now provide me with 3 months of social media posts based on the last PDF I uploaded. Now, what I like to do is I like to actually create file folders inside of my particular AI tool. And then what I do is I like to organize those so that it really keeps me, obviously, if I'm able to organize it and not putting everything all in one chat, it's going to be a lot easier. And so what I do is I make sure that I copy and paste this, for instance, and then I save it in a Word document. So if I want to work on something new, I'll upload it just like you saw me here uploading this PDF, and I can just talk about it. And so here is exploring AI applications and benefits. So there it is. There's 3 months of social media. And I can break that down absolutely. There's week 1, week 2, and week 3. I'm going to do that for all 3. And then what I'll do is I'll show you, there's so much to go through, but there's a really good example for you of how you can use this really productively for your business, whatever it is. And you just got to really make sure that you specify and be very specific. Just imagine that you're telling a story to your client. and you're introducing yourself for the first time, like your elevator pitch. So I always like to use the elevator pitch. So this is what my business is. This is what I do. This is what I'm wanting to create. Here is an example of what's been created. Check out my website. Now provide me social media, so blogs, provide me whatever it is that I'm working on, a marketing plan, a sales plan, and so on. So there are some good examples and some good tips for you, and we look forward to helping you out.